So now after understanding the interface of Zotero, now we are going to discuss that about automatically export entries. So this can be done in three ways, like if you want to export entries or references from SAM library catalog or by Google Scholar and by over the internet from web. So let's see how to do this. So first of all, we have, if you want to search anything on some library catalog, after searching that particular thing, like if you are searching on a particular topic, so on that page simply click, just right click and save to Zotero, like save to Zotero option will appear there, and you can simply save that particular thing in your Zotero catalog, or you can say library catalog. So by this way you can directly export entries from library catalog. Let me show you. So first of all, I have just opened a library, that is UBC library. So it is here, just click on it, or if you want to go search collections, you can go there directly. So you can see various options are there: databases, journals, research guides. Okay, so see if you want to search for a term, like I'm searching for a term that is computer, so it will show the results related to the computer. So now if you want to save this thing, what you have to do, simply right click on it, and you can see the save to Zotero button is there. Also, like you can see various options are there, like save to Zotero coins, summon to, web page with snapshot. So just click on save to Zotero coins. So see, here it is asking that you want to save in which particular folder. So suppose you want to save it in like text mining folder. After that you can see it is showing all the like entries of this particular page, and it is asking you that select which items you would like to add to your library. So these are the options. So if you want to select all, just simply select it and okay. So now it is asking you that in this particular folder it will get saved. Just click on done. Okay, so let me show you the Zotero interface also. So now here is the text mining, and these are the options which I have added right now from the library. Okay, so now next we have, if you want to export entries from Google Scholar. So for that, what you have to do, just open the Google Scholar link. Simply you can see a citation icon there, like this part I have highlighted here also. So when you click on that, you will get the references like this way. So if you want to select the particular reference, for that RefMan is short for reference management. So records of your chosen items will be automatically saved in the open folder in Zotero. Like just go there and type Google Scholar and type a topic like text mining. So when you click on it, you will get this paper. So for saving this, just here you have to cite, just click on it. You can see the various formats of citation, and here is the RefMan link. So when you click on that, you see it is asking you a simple warning message, or that import items from Scholar. So just allow this site and okay. So again it is asking that where you want to save this paper, like text mining or more. So if you want in text mining, just simply done. Okay, so this is the way by which you can export entries through Google Scholar. Now last option is export entries from the web. So if you want to add directly from the web, then what you have to do for that, just suppose I have this thing, I just open a paper. So click on this link and you can directly save into text mining or any other folder if you want. So just click on done. And now let me show you the Zotero interface. So here you can see this particular paper has been added, which I simply add with the option of web. So here is that. So this is all about that how to export entries from these three types, like library catalog and Google Scholar, and the last is web. Thank you.